now. Hold it right there. Perfect.
Feed rate stable?
Yes, maintain 40 kilos per minute. Air pressure 65 psi. Perfect. Continue.
Empty dust vault C after this batch.
Temperature steady at 18 degrees Celsius. Good.
Raise turbulence by 3%. We need stronger agitation.
Copy. Increasing now.
Temp normal. Send them to Blanche.
Batch 5A, peel pressure stable.
Increase flow by 5%. Thickness tolerance 0.2 mm. Perfect.
Water turbidity normal. Starch level dropping, good.
Uniform heat distribution confirmed.
Zone 3, raise by 2 degrees Celsius. Flow rate perfect, send batch to fryer.
Please control 1.
Batch 5A approaching frying point. Even buoyancy, perfect moisture content.
Stabilize viscosity. Add fresh oil 2 liters Tashamin.
Good color grade.
Reject rate excellent, only 0.6%.
Flavor distribution 100% even. Perfect crisp, no over frying. Batch 5A frying complete. Begin packing cycle.
Zero leakage. Perfect.
Packaging line running flawlessly.
Potatoes batch 7A moving perfectly, no clumping.
These potatoes chips are crisp, ideal moisture level.
Potatoes batch heading to weighing zone.
Lay's packaging film aligned. Start potatoes feed cycle. Perfect, no leakage. Potatoes weight precision 100%.
Potatoes Lay's chips overshoot by 2 grams. Recalibrating. Potatoes Lay's boxes sealed tight. Potatoes Lay's packaging line running flawlessly. Shipment ready.
Potatoes batch 7B aligned perfectly for stacking.
Potatoes batch 7B aligned perfectly for stacking.
Batch 7B cooking, starting bottom layer alignment.
Potatoes pallet stacking running at 100% efficiency.
Lay's potatoes batch perfectly centered, no tilt.
Potatoes Lay's pallet stacking running at 100% efficiency.
perfect alignment, no damaged boxes.
Lay's potatoes, batch scanned, all codes match system.
Potatoes Lay's batch 7B, sealed tight.
Lay's potatoes, batch scanned, all codes match system.
Ready for lift, Lay's batch 7B.
Lay's potatoes shipment moving on schedule currently, no delays.
Lay's potatoes batch ready for storage, flawless stacking.
Lay's potatoes, packaging, perfect sandwich, no damage.
Lay's potatoes batch 7B, strapped tight, ready for dispatch.
Lay's potatoes chips, shipment complete. Factory line running flawlessly.
Potatoes batch 7B, safely inside warehouse, toggle it. Starting sorting.
Align potatoes pallets perfectly with warehouse markers.
Potatoes pallets mapped for optimal storage. Lay's batch 7B, footing. Location confirmed. Space utilization 100%.
Lay's batches aligned by production date. FIFO ready.
Lay's batch 7B, packaging intact. Lay's batches aligned by production date. Butane, FIFO ready.
Lay's chips batch 7B is location confirmed, space utilization 100%.
Prepare for incoming Lay's Chips boxes batch 7C cream. Seamless transition.
Lay's batch 7B, perfectly stacked, no risk of tipping.
Lay's chips storage optimal due, 18 degrees Celsius, 50% humidity.
Lay's batch rotation ready. Dispatch prep started.
Lay's batch 7B, secured. Zone interior, ready for delivery.